Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I finally got my Walmart box. Y'all, I paid for this at the beginning of December, which is probably when y'all paid for it. And I even sent them an email a week or two ago because I thought, why, because I've seen other people, I've seen this go up for weeks, and I didn't get mine. And I'm like, well, what the heck happened to it? Anyway, it's here. This is the winter. How this works, Walmart. It's Walmart Beauty Box. And it's $6.98 a quarter. I looked it up because I usually forget how much it is. So that's something very affordable for a lot of people. You just go to their website, but you have to plug in, it's not walmart.com, it's walmartbeautybox.com. $6.98, that is, they say what you're getting is free and you're paying $6.98 for the shipping. Now, they've been offering other boxes lately. Maybe for about a year, each quarter they'll show you a different box that's a little more expensive. And I think, the first one I think was $9.98, and I got that. And then they had a Halloween one that I didn't get just because I don't know why I didn't get that. And then they had one that was supposed to be like really bougie stuff, and it was like $19.98. And I felt like I got ripped off. I saw other people getting the $6.98 box, and I'm like, oh, I wish I had gotten that box. So this time, I don't recall how much it was for this winter upgrade. I think they call it an upgrade. I don't remember what it was. It could have been $9.98. It could have been $14.98. I don't remember, but I didn't get it. So I just got the regular plain old winter edition, okay? So it's Winter 2022 it's called, and let's see what's in here. Like I said, it's free stuff. Everything in here is free. You pay the $6.98 for the shipping. So it came wrapped in plastic, and they do have versions. So here it says Beauty Box Winter 2022 Winter version 14 is mine. Now, honestly, I haven't really watched many because even though it's a lot of similar products, I like to be a little surprised. Y'all, I'm sorry, I have something wrong with my mouth. So this is why I'm talking a little funny. My tongue is yeah, I'm not good. Anyway, this is what it looks like inside. There's a little brochure that may or may not have your information, and they try to spruce it up a little bit with a little tissue and all, okay? So let's see what I got. The brochure, this says Winter Wonders. See there it is, Walmart Beauty Box, and they say to tag them, and so I will on Instagram and all that, on YouTube. In here is it says time for a little TLC, and there are 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, well, 10 products and a question mark over here, and there's a couple of products over here. And used to be what was ever on the left side, you would definitely get that, and then you'd get a couple of these products on the right side, but that's not, for me, that hasn't been the case. Now, the first thing on the left side I do see in my box, it says Liquid IV. It's the hydration multiplier, and a lot of y'all don't like it. And I got 2. Now, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to get 2. Usually they only put 1 of these in a box. So I'm happy to get 2 because these are not cheap, y'all. They're about $1.50 a piece. You're supposed to take this and put it into a bottle of water, and it helps to hydrate you if you are dehydrated. In the summer, in the winter, any time of year, I drink these somewhat regularly because the medications that I take for my high blood pressure can make me dehydrate, especially in the very hot summers here. So I do like them. Now, the only thing is they're very strong. They're like Gatorade, but they're just supposed to be convenient because you can carry it with you and use it, instead of having to stop in a store and buying a Gatorade, but you have to have water on you to do it. So they're just strong tasting, and they're sort of thick because of all there's sugar in here and the flavoring and whatever else is in here. So what I do is I take a quart container. I have a Tupperware quart. So that's like the size of 2 water bottles, about 32 ounces, and I add 1 stick to the whole thing, and then I drink that, as I can. So I'm very happy to get 2. These are in the flavor tangerine. So let's see what else I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 other products. So this also is on the left side. So for once in my life, I'm getting what they're showing on the left side. This we get often. This brand, Cetaphil's a great brand. Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. The full size is $14.12. When I showed you this, I should have said this comes in a box of 6. at Walmart for $9.98. You can buy it off their website for bigger packages, and it still comes out to about that same price. They do have sales sometimes. This one, the Cetaphil is $14.12 for a 16-ounce bottle. That's a 16-ounce bottle is a big size bottle, and I'm sure it's a pump. This is a moisturizing cream. Very dry to dry sensitive skin is what this is for. And they usually give us different varieties of the Cetaphil. They've given us some washes. They've given us some different moisturizers. I think they've given us some even with some of the UV stuff in there, you know. So Cetaphil was referred to me way back when I first got, I had, it's a long story, but I got burned, and the dermatologist recommended Cetaphil for sensitive skin. So this has been around a very long time. I don't know how long, but at least, I'd say at least 40 years, if not longer. They're very, it's very mild. It's very good for sensitive skin. So I also have a bag. This is very, very nice for this to be wrapped like this. So if something were to have broken open, it would be in this nice Ziploc. Whoops, I just broke the Ziploc. But let's see what's in there. Okay, hey, some nice things. Now, I've had this before, I think, or I've had something similar. It's the Alafia. This is authentic African black soap. It's unrefined shea butter, and it's an all-in-one soap, it says. Let me show it to you again. I don't know if I had a bottle like this. I don't think I used it because, why didn't I use it? People rave about this soap. It says it is an all-in-one eucalyptus tea tree. The full size is $15.09, which is a 32-ounce bottle. That's a big bottle. This right here is 2 ounces. That's why I didn't use it. It's because it has this tea tree oil in it, and that can be very drying for me. I'm sure it's sealed. Oh, hey, it's not sealed. Yeah, I can smell the tea tree. It's very pretty. It looks creamy. It looks like it might be moisturizing to some extent. But that's why I didn't use it. But I've heard people really like this product. I'm just going to tighten it really good. I'm so surprised that's not sealed. And then I got this, and I'm happy to get this, but look at how full that is. It's missing a bunch, but it's not in my box, so it didn't spill out. This is the way that they processed it at the, this is the way they filled it. This is the brand Tresemme, and this is a shampoo. It says Pro Pure Light Moisture Hydration Shampoo. So 0 sulfates, 0 parabens, and 0 dyes. I do like the Tresemme brand for some hair products. Let me find it on here. This is not on here. Well, don't see your product here. Your box may include an extra surprise we thought you'd love. Okay. Well, darn it, I wanted to read about it. But anyway, this is a good size. You can see it's a 3 U.S. fluid ounces. So it's a good size. Missing about an ounce of the 3 ounces, but but it's a good size for travel, you know, to throw in your bag. I think I have to, I'm going to tighten that up too. Let me see. I don't think that's sealed either. No. I'm thinking you're allowed to bring 3-ounce bottles on the plane. Is it 3? I always forget, y'all. But I always, if I'm going to go on a plane, I'll look it up first. But that's a good size for traveling, I think. So actually, when I had it open, I should have smelled it. It smells very light. It's a nice, clean fragrance. So that is nice to get. And then I have, this is interesting. I have these whitening strips. Now there is a little, not much information on here. This is Luminex whitening strips. And the full size is $29.98, which is 14 strips. This has 4 strips, which is 2 treatments. So I'm assuming you put 1 strip on top, 1 strip on the bottom. I'm not real good with the whitening stuff, y'all. I've tried them. I need them, but it says this whitens without the sensitivity. So maybe I'll try it, but I've used a couple of different products. I use a toothpaste that's supposed to whiten, but it doesn't really, it's not like it does a fabulous job. But some of these that you have to put on your mouth for like a half an hour, it just produces so much spit that I'm like drooling and stuff. Does that happen to y'all? So, but I'll try them since there's just 2 in here. It says something about 60 minutes. Temporary white spots may appear after use. Oh, but should disappear within 24 to 48 hours. Do not eat or drink for 30 minutes after use. If any tooth or gum irritation, stop using the product. Okay, so I can't use it right now until I get this taken care of. I've had a crown fall out. It's not the new one, it's a different crown. So I'm just feel like I'm talking really funny. And then I got some makeup, yay! So I got some CoverGirl mascara. And I like CoverGirl mascara. It's been a while since I've used it. But this is the Simply Ageless Lash Plumping Mascara. And this is valued at $9.97. So right there, I got more than what I paid for my shipping, if we're not counting anything else. So Simply Ageless Lash Plumping Mascara. Primer. Oh, it's a 3-in-1 primer serum mascara. Well, that's interesting. Okay, let's just open it because I'm actually at a stage where I'm going to be swapping out my mascaras. I think I just started 1 or 2 new ones. So it's very pretty. I love the packaging. The purple, of course, is beautiful. And it says CoverGirl all around it. Lash Plumping Mascara. So what did I say? It was $9.97. That's about average for drugstore mascara. And that is the brush. So the brush is, if you see that end has a little edge to it there. So interesting. Yeah. I like that. Okay, so I will start using that right away. I'll probably use that in the morning. So that is what I got in my Walmart box. And if you are playing along with the bonus items, I'm going to put this in right away. There's not anything else that I can put in right away. So, well, you know what? I'll put both these in because I just know myself. I'm not going to use this. I'll put these in, okay, for the bonus for today. I shouldn't say that because there's not a bonus every day. So just so you know, for the treasure trove continuing giveaway, that's what that is for. If you're new to my channel, ask me. Don't ask me here. Send me a private message because we're not supposed to talk about that in the videos. I mean, you're not supposed to talk about it in the videos because then people will see that that's in there. Anyway, if you're new around here, come see me, send me an email, come see me on Instagram, send me a private message and I'll explain it to you, okay? All right, thank you all for stopping by. And that's my Walmart box. And I'll take a couple pictures, put it on Instagram, okay, for you. And y'all, thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. Bye-bye.